Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we have something truly special for you. We're about to unleash the beast that is the 2023 Dodge Charger Jailbreak Hell-Bee. This ultimate muscle car sedan is packing some serious power and aggressive design elements. Let's dive right in and see what this beast has to offer. First impressions matter, and the 2023 Charger Jailbreak Hell-Bee knows that. With its sleek and bold design, this four-door muscle car commands attention on the road. Featuring carbon fiber accents, a unique front splitter, and the unmistakable Hell-Bee logo, this is a car that means business. And let's not forget the functional carbon fiber trunk lid spoiler that adds both style and performance. But what truly sets this Charger apart is the power lurking under the hood. The 2023 Dodge Charger Jailbreak Hell-Bee comes equipped with a standard Hellcat engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 717 horsepower. This means exhilarating acceleration and heart-stopping speed. It has the power to leave other cars in the dust. Now, let's step inside this muscle car sedan and explore its interior. The Charger Jailbreak Hell-Bee offers a spacious and comfortable cabin that can comfortably accommodate both driver and passengers. With premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and stylish stitching, this car exudes luxury. The seats, upholstered in Napa leather, provide excellent support and can be power adjusted to your liking. Optional dark orange seatbelts add a sporty touch. The Charger Jailbreak Hell-Bee is not only about power, it also boasts impressive technology and features. You'll find yourself surrounded by a user-friendly infotainment system with a large touchscreen display, offering a seamless and intuitive user experience. Plus, you'll have ample storage space for all your belongings, including 2 cup holders and a roomy storage compartment. Now, let's talk about the driving experience. Despite its size and power, the Charger Jailbreak Hell-Bee handles surprisingly well. Thanks to adaptive dampers and excellent steering, it offers exceptional front-end grip, making you feel confident and in control behind the wheel. And when you unleash that V8 power, the exhilarating acceleration will leave you with an ear-to-ear grin. Alright, folks, that wraps up our review of the 2023 Dodge Charger Jailbreak Hell-Bee. This is truly the ultimate muscle car sedan that offers performance, style, and comfort all wrapped into one ferocious package. If you're a fan of raw power and head-turning design, the Hell-Bee won't disappoint. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things automotive. Until next time, happy driving!